Hey there, it's Irina Z, and in this video I'm going to show you how to add a progress bar element to your page. So first what you're going to want to do is go into your funnel and then you're going to want to add an element. So an element is in these orange boxes. You'll go ahead and add an element by hitting the plus sign and search for progress bar. And this would be the element for it. And now we have added the progress bar element to your page. Now you can customize the progress bar element in various ways, and I'm going to show you how to do this. So if you go over to this little toggle and you open up the settings, you'll see different settings that you'll be able to play around with: settings, themes, and advanced settings. First, you can see that there's the top margin sizing. So you could go ahead and pull the progress bar all the way up or push it down depending on the preference of how you want to place it. You'll be able to do that by using the top margin. You'll also be able to go ahead and edit the text inside the percent field. So we'll go ahead and edit the text, and you'll be able to select a font that you want to use. You can also change the background color. So right over here, just to match the funnel we're working in, we'll go ahead and select orange, and that is how you would edit the progress bar. Now right over here, if you go over to themes, you could see different themes you could select for your progress bar. Some of them have a shadow and some of them have a little bit of animation. So for this example, we'll go ahead and select the animated stripes. As you can see, it is now animated with the stripes. Under the advanced settings, you could see that you could change the percent width. So that is the width of how much of the area is colored. So right over here, it's set on 75. You could drop it down to 33%, anywhere from 0 to 100%. Okay? The next thing you could do is change the size of the progress bar. You could have it small, medium, or large. You can also edit the text shadow. You could have a dark shadow, or you could have a light shadow, or you could have no shadow. Under the text style, you'll be able to select bold, italicized, or bold and italicized. The alignment of the text could be centered, it could be left aligned, or right aligned. You can also select the offset color, and that is the color right over here at the end, to white, transparent white, black, or transparent black. So for this example, we'll just stick with white. You could also select a shadow. Now we're working with a darker background, so you might not be able to see the shadow on the video. However, if you select the shadow, you could have a soft shadow, a mid shadow, or a hard shadow for the progress bar. You can also round the corners, different selections, however rounded you would like them. And you can also add a border right over here by selecting border. Under the Animations tab, you'll be able to select the time delay. If you want your progress bar to fade into your funnel, you could set that up by clicking Fade In and then choosing the minutes and seconds that you want it to fade in at. You could also select Fade In with Scale and select the minutes and seconds that you want it to fade in with scale. Now under the Animations tab, right over here, you'll be able to select whether you want the progress bar on page load. So when the page loads, the progress bar will appear, or if you want the progress bar to appear on page scroll and become visible. So these are some of the settings that are part of the progress bar element. If you run into any trouble with this or you have any further questions, please reach out to our support team and they'd be more than happy to help. Thanks so much.